Hi, welcome back to Cook Mama Cook. In today's video, I am bringing you a healthy, simple spring meal prep. I just love meal prepping, just makes it so much easier if it's all in the fridge or freezer already for you for a couple of days. In this video, I will be making egg cups, stuffed sweet potatoes, and a pasta dish. Everything is delicious. Keep watching. Okay, so starting off with the egg bites or egg cups, whatever you want to call them. My daughter actually just made this in one of her cooking classes, and this has been something we enjoyed making. We don't make it as often, but she came home with her recipe and then she made it for us as well. So now I'm going to show you how I make it for my family. Well, my husband doesn't eat eggs, but my daughter and I, we really enjoy this. So I'm going to be using all these fresh ingredients, peppers, spinach, and cheese. We have some different cheeses we're going to be putting in it. So egg bites are so filling and they're easy. You can even snack on these as well. Just use your muffin cupcake pan, put some liners in it for easy cleanup. Yeah, and just watch how I make these. Okay, so I'm only going to be using about half of this red bell pepper, so I'm going to store the other half away in the fridge. Okay, so the pepper and spinach is all chopped up. Now I'm gonna grate whatever cheese I have on hand. Okay, and to the bowl of eggs, I'm gonna add some water. You could also use milk if you like. Just any liquid you add to the eggs makes it a little bit more fluffier. Okay, so what you want to do next is add whatever vegetable that you want to use in these egg cups. Add it directly to the muffin pan in your liners if you have it. Put that at the bottom just so it cooks evenly, and then you just add the egg mixture on top, sprinkle with cheese, pop it in the oven for 15 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, so I underestimated the amount of eggs I needed to use, but there was only like 5 in the carton. So being I already sprayed the other, liners, I think I'm just gonna add some ground turkey to it and some cheese. It could go nicely, like a little kind of sausage patty on the side of the egg cups. Okay, so I have the water boiling. I'm gonna put the pasta in now for our second recipe. The pasta is done cooking, and now to this pot I'm gonna add the ground turkey meat, which I already cooked and browned, and I'm also gonna add cheese, tomato sauce, and spinach. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep them on this cooling rack until they cool down, and then I will put them in one of my glass Tupperwares and pop that in the fridge. Okay, the sweet potatoes are done, so I just cut them in half. Now I'm gonna make the stuffing mix with the peppers and the black beans. So I'm just gonna cook this now, season it, and then fill the sweet potatoes and then add the cheese on top. So that hot and spicy honey mustard barbecue sauce that I put into the pan actually has no tomatoes in it. So if you are allergic to tomatoes, like my husband, or if you do not like tomatoes, and the majority of barbecue sauces do have tomatoes in it, try out the Arizona Peppers Organic Harvest Food. That's the name of the brand. It's also gluten-free, it's organic, it's sweet and spicy, so yeah, you would love it if you do not like tomatoes, but you're looking for a good spicy and sweet barbecue sauce. Okay, so this is how it looks once it's all stuffed and loaded, and when you're ready to eat it, just pop it back into the oven to melt the cheese and heat it through, and you will enjoy it. This is a perfect lunch or like a side to a dinner, or maybe even a whole meal with a salad on the side. Sounds great. Okay, so the cooking is done. It took me maybe about 2 hours or so, but so worth it to have these meals already prepped and cooked and in the fridge. Okay, so we have the stuffed or loaded sweet potatoes, so nutritious and good for you, and filling as well with the cheese, the pepper, spinach, and beans. And then the egg bites with the kind of sausage patties that go on the side. So good. Your kids will love this if they love eggs. Give it a try. Very easy to make. I love even making it with my daughter as well. Kids, when you give them the opportunity to just help you in the kitchen and they could create and explore and cook with you, it's such a beautiful thing. And then we also have the pasta, the penne pasta with the turkey ground meat and sauce, cheese, and spinach. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope I gave you some meal prepping inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cook Mama Cook. Check the description box for other links for grocery hauls and more recipes. I will see you in my next one. Bye.